Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sharif Dev channel. Today, we've got something really cool for you. A step-by-step tutorial on building a simple calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, here, we've got a container for our calculator display and buttons. Each button has its own unique ID, and the display has an ID too. This will help us manipulate them later with JavaScript. It's looking good, with CSS styling. We'll keep it simple, but feel free to get creative. Add some colors, borders, and make those buttons pop. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now our calculator is starting to take shape and functional. That's where JavaScript comes in.